Imagine a world where computers can learn and solve problems just like us. This isn't a glimpse into a distant future or a plot from a science fiction novel. We're talking about the here and now, the age of artificial intelligence, or AI as it's fondly called. AI is a bit like having a brain on steroids. It can analyze vast amounts of information, discern patterns, and make predictions. So when you find that your phone has suggested the perfect movie for your Friday night in, or your smart speaker has lined up your favorite tunes, it's all thanks to AI. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. Now let's talk about the medical field. It's a place where AI is doing some truly groundbreaking work. AI algorithms are helping doctors diagnose diseases, sometimes even before symptoms appear. Imagine the number of lives that can be saved, the amount of suffering that can be prevented. But AI isn't just about the good and the wonderful. It also has its fair share of weirdness. Ever had your phone suggest a song or a product based on a conversation you had earlier? That's AI learning from your data, picking up on your habits and preferences. It can be a little unnerving, but it's also fascinating to see how AI can learn and adapt in ways we may not always expect. And it doesn't stop at just suggesting songs or diagnosing diseases. AI is being integrated into nearly every facet of our lives. It's in our cars, helping us navigate through the busiest of streets. It's in our homes, controlling our lights and thermostats. It's even in our schools, helping teachers personalize learning for each student. From recommending movies to diagnosing diseases, AI is already making our lives easier in many ways. But as we continue to embrace this technology, we must also prepare for the unexpected. Because with AI, the only thing that's certain is that the future will be anything but ordinary. Let's break it down. Imagine you're teaching a friend a new game. You explain the rules, they play a few rounds, make some mistakes, but gradually, they start to get the hang of it. They're learning from their experiences, right? Well, that's pretty much how artificial intelligence, or AI, learns too. Just as you'd teach your friend, we teach AI using vast amounts of data. But instead of game rules, we use pictures, text, numbers, or even snippets of code. The more diverse and comprehensive the data, the better the AI can learn. It's like giving your friend a chance to play the game in different scenarios so they become a pro. Now let's say your friend has learned the game well. They can predict your moves, they know the best strategies, and they've become a tough opponent. In a similar way, AI uses the data it's been taught to recognize patterns, make predictions, and even make decisions. Think of it this way. If you show the AI a collection of photos and tell it which ones are of cats, it will start to recognize patterns. It might notice that cats usually have pointed ears, whiskers, and a tail. Then, when you show it a new photo it's never seen before, it can use those patterns to predict whether or not the photo is of a cat. That's AI in action. But what if you show the AI a photo of a dog? Well, if it's only ever been taught about cats, it might get confused. This is why it's crucial to provide AI with a broad range of data. The more diverse the data, the better the AI can understand and make accurate predictions. Just like your friend gets better at the game with practice, AI improves its performance with more and more data. The more it learns, the more accurate it becomes, and the more useful it can be in solving problems and making our lives easier. So, the next time you hear about AI, remember, it's just like teaching a friend a new game, only on a much larger scale. The idea of super smart machines has been around for ages. Indeed, the concept of artificial intelligence has been a staple of science fiction for generations. From stories of robots with human-like consciousness to machines capable of independent thought and action, the allure of AI has captivated our imaginations. Our journey begins in the mid-20th century with the advent of the first computers. These machines, though primitive by today's standards, were hailed as electronic brains, capable of performing calculations at speeds previously unimaginable. This was the dawn of the AI era. As technology advanced, so too did the concept of AI. The 1980s saw the rise of expert systems, computer programs designed to mimic human experts in specific fields. These systems could diagnose diseases, predict stock market trends, and even play chess at a high level. But were they truly intelligent? The debate raged on. Fast forward to the 21st century and AI has taken on a whole new dimension. Today's AI systems, powered by machine learning algorithms, can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions with astonishing accuracy. They're used in everything from voice recognition software to self-driving cars, transforming the way we live and work. But what about those old robot movies? Are we on the brink of creating machines that can think and feel like humans? The answer in short, is no. While AI has made tremendous strides, we're still a long way from achieving true artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This is the type of AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human being. So, should we be worried about robots taking over the world? Again, the answer is no. The AI systems of today are tools, designed to assist us, not to replace us. They lack consciousness, self-awareness, and the ability to understand context, making the idea of a robot uprising more science fiction than reality. While AI has come a long way, we're still far from the robot apocalypse. So for now, we can sit back, relax, and enjoy the benefits of AI, knowing that our future is in safe human hands. So, what's next for AI? The possibilities are endless. Truly, the potential applications of AI seem to stretch as far as the imagination can reach. Picture this, a world where AI helps us combat the pressing issue of climate change. By crunching colossal amounts of data, AI could predict weather patterns, monitor carbon emissions, and even propose solutions to reduce our carbon footprint. Now that's a future we can all get behind. But it doesn't stop there. The creative arts could also be revolutionized by AI. Imagine a symphony composed entirely by an AI or a best-selling novel penned by a machine. Art, which has long been considered a uniquely human endeavor, could be transformed in ways we can't even fathom. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. As we usher in this new era of AI, we face some daunting challenges. One of the major concerns is bias. Since AI learns from data created by humans, it can inadvertently pick up and amplify our prejudices. It's like a mirror reflecting our own flaws back at us. Moreover, there's the issue of job displacement. As AI becomes more advanced, it could potentially replace humans in certain job sectors. And while this could boost productivity, it also raises questions about job security and income inequality. And let's not forget about privacy. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of personal data, how do we ensure our privacy is respected? These are all questions that need careful consideration as we move forward. Ultimately, the key to harnessing the power of AI lies in responsible use. We must strive to create AI that is fair, ethical, and transparent. We need to have open conversations about the ethical implications of AI and ensure that its benefits are shared by all, not just a select few. As we continue to advance AI, it's important to ensure it's used in a way that benefits all of humanity. With careful thought and responsible action, AI can indeed be more of a friend than a foe. After all, the future of AI is in our hands. Thank you for watching.